Hi everyone, it's DeLa here, and today's video is going to be a try-on haul featuring tons of really cool stuff from iHeartRaves. I was invited to join their influencer partnership program, so I got to pick out some really cool stuff and coordinate some looks for you guys, and I will be showing them off in this video. I don't know, this is my first haul, so bear with me. I am very excited though, because I've been a fan of their stuff for quite a while, but I didn't actually own anything yet. And, yeah, I guess I will just get right into it. I got to pick out 2 different outfits and some accessories, and so I will show them to you now. The first outfit that I'm going to show you is this, like, 2-piece, like, fuzzy, cute pastel, like, rainbow, multicolored, just awesomeness. It comes with like this like bikini top and then a matching fuzzy skirt, which I thought was really cute. So yes, obviously I wanted this, and like I like to go to like the raves and stuff at conventions because I'm a cosplayer, so or just on days where I don't feel like wearing a particular costume, I would opt for something like this because it's still very like attention grabbing and fun, and not something that you could wear like on a regular day to the grocery store or whatever. I mean, I might, but you know, other people might not. But yeah, so that was the first thing, and then it's probably easier if I hold the box, so I'm gonna do that. Other outfit did not come as a set. I put these things together myself, so I picked out these really cute high-waist sequin shorts. I don't know, I just like, they're iridescent, and I'm like a sucker for like holographic iridescent things, and purple is my favorite color. And then I paired it with this really cute mesh bikini top and these butterfly clips. I just was going for a butterfly theme, I guess, because I really like butterflies and flowers, and of course more holographic stuff. And then these like holographic butterfly temporary tattoos, and more like shiny silvery holographic leggings, like leg tie thingies. I cannot remember the proper name. I also got these rainbow ones. I originally was gonna wear them with the fuzzy pastel outfit, but they're not the right kind of rainbow to pair with it, so I will be wearing these with another outfit. Yeah, these are more of like the cute leg ties, just in a different color. I also got these really cute yellow cat ears that are very fuzzy that I'm pairing with the pastel fuzzy outfit. Then butterfly pasties, because obviously butterflies are a thing with me. And they have a lot of really cute accessories like these face gems. I'll make sure you guys can see them, which are very, very cool. I really love like little stick-on face gems and accessories. And I got this body glitter. It's got like yellow, blue, pink in there, and silver, and little hearts. So yeah, I will put on these outfits and show them to you. I'll also give you information about like how I feel about everything in terms of comfort and sizing and stuff like that, because I figure that's stuff, not that's things. Stuff. Information. That's information people would want to know. So yeah, I will try on a super cool pastel fuzzy outfit first and show it off for you guys. So this is the faux fur pastel and skirt top set. The fur feels very soft and comfortable, and it looks just as cute as it does in the product picture. I paired it with these yellow cat ears and the Lunatics 1993 glitter, which you can see like all over my chest and upper body. Everything feels really secure, and I really, really love that it comes with actual like functional pockets, which was a pleasant surprise because I love when a cute outfit has built-in storage space. It's literally like winning the lottery for me. The skirt zips up in the front and has like a hook closure for added security, which you can see here. Overall, I'm really happy with this outfit, and I feel super cute in it. I would definitely wear it to a con or a festival, especially because of the pockets. I can't stress enough how much I freaking love pockets. It's also just like so cute and fun and colorful. I really like it a lot. So now on to look number 2. So this is the second outfit, which I put together entirely by myself. It has a purple iridescent butterfly theme, as you can tell from all the shiny lavender goodness I have going on here. I'm wearing high-waisted sequin shorts, Lunatics, holographic butterfly tattoos, a purple mesh top, and silver butterfly pasties, along with, of course, more tattoos. I put one on my face, and then these really cute butterfly hair clips, and iridescent silver leg wraps. The shorts are really comfortable, especially considering the fact that they're completely covered in sequins. And the top is like an adjustable one-size-fits-all top, which is pretty cool. It's also very comfortable. And the pasties are just really cute. I've never worn pasties before, so this was kind of exciting for me, and I really like them as like a fashion statement. Overall, this is my favorite outfit of the two, and I'm super impressed with how many different options iHeartRaves has for putting together fun and unique looks like this one. Alright guys, so that is it for this haul video. I hope that you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed filming it. It was very fun to put on like cute outfits and dance around my room and be a holographic butterfly girl. So yeah. I also have a discount code for 10% off in the description. If you guys want to use that, it's 10% off your total purchase on iHeartRaves.com. So yeah, use it if you want to use it. It's storming here, and I don't know if you guys can hear the thunder from outside. But if you can, I apologize, and if you can't, don't worry about it. Yeah, if you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe, leave a comment, give it a thumbs up, and you can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and Twitter, as well as here. Thanks for watching, bye.